Everybody's trying to save money, particularly on their energy bill. I get my BG&E bill and I'm frustrated too. And there's nothing more convincing than a solar panel salesman. They come to your door and they might as well be wearing a cape because it seems like they're going to save the day and they're going to cut your energy bill. In my experience, buyers of your home are not interested in solar panels. They're confusing, they're not that attractive, and it just seems like an impediment, like, I don't know what to do with this. I've never had them before, they're inexperienced with them. So if you are confronted by a solar panel salesman who makes a bold claim that's going to add value to your property, please give me a call, put me on speakerphone, and I'm happy to have a conversation with you and the solar panel salesman. Be very careful before you install solar panels onto your roof. And I understand all the rationale about why to do it, but in my experience, it's created an incredible challenge when it's time to sell. Thanks. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.